So I realized my mom was making an important phone call, so that's not actually the end of our walk. We're going to continue. Duke, just turned nice out. At 9 a.m., it's really cold on a Saturday morning. Come on. Duke, come on. Come on, Dukey. Duke. 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 What are you doing, Duke? Duke. Duke, just what do you think you're doing? Oh, now we're ready to go. Come on. Come on, Duke. Come. Duke. Duke. Come on. Duke. Dukey. Duke. Dukey. Come.